Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. The best health pledge. Now here's what I want you guys to think of. B.E.S.T. So B for breathe deeply. How many times do I want you to breathe deeply? Do some deep breathing. 3+ times a day. Now, if you want to, that 10-10-10 means inhale for 10, hold for 10, exhale for 10. If you like that, you can do it that way. You don't have to hold for 10. You can hold for a shorter period of time. And you can do a count pattern, but just nice deep breathing. Eat healthy. The main tips on that is shop smart. Okay? And if you're eating out a lot, make healthy choices. So that's the two things. If you're eating out a lot, just try to order the salad once in a while or something. There's almost always a decent chicken Caesar salad at almost any place, and that's not too bad, you know, instead of ordering a big, you know, sloppy something. Okay, now sleep well. Sleeping is real important, and your body really gets so much out of sleeping. And I admit and confess that that's probably not my best area. I don't know why exactly, but I can still get away with sleeping for 2 or 3 hours in a night if I have to once in a while and still be okay the next day. I know it's not healthy for me, and it's not healthy for me in the long run, so definitely getting a good amount of sleep. Now, Lynette's real good at that. She gets plenty of sleep, and she has all that great metabolism. She's running around and stuff, but boy, when she goes up to bed at night,
oh, yeah,
that pillow and she's out.
I sleep like 9 hours a night. But when I'm out, I'm out. You know, I'm like the Energizer Bunny. I'm either off or on.
That's right. And I'll tell you what else. Now, I want you to write next to sleep well, power nap. Okay, power nap. If you take a 15-minute nap, that can really be rejuvenating. Now, you have to have the, availability of a nap space. And so if you're at some job or something, that might not work. But if you're just working by yourself out of your house or something like that, you can go and take a 15-20-minute nap, and you'll just come back that much more refreshed. In fact, sometimes while you're lying down, you'll think of a couple of things. Ideas will come into your head because you're just relaxing, and you'll think of a couple things that are important for you to do or to take care of, or good ideas. So breathe deep, eat healthy as you can, sleep well, and take action. And next time I see you, I want you to come up and say, I'm healthier than I was the last time I saw you.
That's right.
Okay, so that's the best health pledge. And I think, guys, if you follow that, you'll have Zest, and that's Z-E-S-T at the bottom. Zestful attitude and looks, energy for action, strength, and more time and happiness, okay? Let's stand up and do our best health pledge, guys. Come on. I hereby pledge to do my best to improve and maintain my body. I only get one body, and mine is the temple of my mind. The state of my physical body affects the state of mind every day. Therefore, I pledge to do my best to follow this best health pledge. Okay, that's great. Give yourselves a round of applause.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.